We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape for Glowforge. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and start a new document. You'll want to set up your page size to match the dimensions of your Glowforge bed, which is typically 20 by 12 inches. To do this, go to the File menu, select Document Properties, and set the units to inches. Then adjust the width and height accordingly. Next, you can create your design using Inkscape's vector drawing tools. For cutting, use the stroke color to define your lines. Setting the stroke to 0.001 inches is crucial for Glowforge to recognize it as a cut line. So make sure that's done in the Fill and Stroke panel. If you're looking to engrave, fill your shapes with a solid color. The darker the color, the deeper the engrave will be. Once your design is ready, you'll need to save it in a format compatible with Glowforge. Go to File, click Save As, and choose the plain SVG option. This format ensures that all paths and objects are preserved accurately for Glowforge use. Now head over to the Glowforge app in your browser, upload your saved SVG file by clicking on the Upload button. Once uploaded, you'll see your design on the Glowforge interface. Here, you can adjust the settings for each part of your design, choosing whether to cut, engrave, or score. Make sure to select the appropriate material settings as well based on what material you'll be using. Double check everything, including the placement on your material and the settings for each element. When you're ready, hit the print button and your Glowforge will start the cutting or engraving process. And that's it. You're ready to make amazing creations with your Glowforge using designs from Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.